Your body is built from what it absorbs, not just what it eats. So you can eat something, but if your body doesn't absorb it in, it's a waste of time. So when you eat proteins in egg, fish, meat, collagen, dairy products, your stomach releases hydrochloric acid, HCl, and pepsin. Pepsin is an enzyme, and these break down this large protein into smaller chains that are called peptides. As an example, like a large protein is this entire necklace right here. But the broken down peptide will be the little connecting chains, 1, 2, 3 side of it. So the large one is a protein, and then when it's broken down into smaller absorbable particles, that's the peptide part of it, which is very, very important. Now, from there, it goes to the small intestine. The small intestine breaks down these peptides into amino acid. And then the pancreas comes in and it releases an enzyme that breaks down the peptide into individual amino acids that the body can use, that the body is able to absorb. Do you see how we are connecting different organs in the body and the different actions that they take? From the stomach, you break it down, the small intestine comes into play, the pancreas comes into play. The pancreas is big on insulin and all of that. So if there's a break in any of these places and they are not functioning properly, that's the problem. So now, after it goes through the small intestine and the pancreas breaks it down into little bits that the body can absorb, from there it goes into the bloodstream. The amino acid passes through the small intestinal walls into the bloodstream. From that place, that is where it is now circulated into the brain, the skin, the muscles, the liver, the bones, where it is used as raw materials for your body functioning. Now, where do you get these proteins from? I told you your body makes its own protein, but at some point, it starts to diminish when you get older. Stress and other things can also affect it. So you have to take it in as food from egg, from fish, from meat, dairy products. But you can also take it in from collagen. Now, a lot of people say, oh, my collagen didn't do anything. It's not working. That is why you hear people saying it doesn't work, because it has to be broken down to little peptides that the body can absorb. So if you're not taking the right form of collagen, you really won't get any result. And that is where my collagen comes into play, because I picked out